Ready or writing? Writing, reading. Reading, that's too easy, folks.
That's my old walkout track from 𝕋ℍ𝔼, an industrial shoegaze band based out of Austin and London, Kentucky that I play in, and yeah, lots of good times out there with Core and Phil Pop. But he's got one hand in there, kids, and he's in law school, so we're just trading files over the internet right now.
Yeah, hell yeah, brother.
I love telling people I'm in a band with somebody from, London, Kentucky. It's beautiful.
What's that, French?
Yeah.
That's right.
Right.
Bring on up, big house. Let's see what you got over here, kid.
Know the story, know the stakes. I've come for glory, made mistakes. Once in a lifetime, I get the chance, and then I find that I'm asleep at the wheel. Don't let that happen to you. Did I skim? Did I do what was destined? I follow a whim. I hope that there's nobody else out on the road next time that I'm asleep at the wheel. Times are wasting, so frustrated with the state of everything. Hold my hand now and we'll walk together. clean and polished. He nodded off, it's demolished. Don't pretend that you've never been, even for only a minute. I've been asleep at the wheel. One more time now. Time's are wasting, so frustrated with the state of everything. Love, hold my hand now, and we'll walk together. So sleep at the wheel.
Alright, let's see here. Next one's up here. Do a little bit of. extra that you can hear us on our residencies here on Tuesday nights. Jamming around.
Pony rides.
Ride that pony, Daddy.
Hell yeah. All right, I'm going to play a little guitar noodle in here for a second. Just a tribute to, we always dedicate this one to Bruce Campbell. Just got some good 80s vibes, and yeah, hell yeah. I feel like Cutting Crew, some Sophistopop. There you go. very much. And just like that, it went up, and we'll take it right back down here. What's that? Oh, yeah, one more. Yeah.
sense an intrusion winding its way on my muscles, bones, and sinew, inspecting and caressing as if to reassure the hurried beating of my heart directly from within. Time seemed to shift itself as if to make space, section laid out with a brand new designation that would surely be the catalyst to rhythm unforeseen. But holy welcome, if we could fly, together we'd paint the sky with a dozen rainbows or more. I know, and the treasure I need's behind this door. Dark water in the soft pitch black of a sea street night. I held you tight. I'm naked at my wedding, naked at my child, my sweet, sweet lily pad, baby, and I'm your frog, scuttle frog. This morning seemed a little softer. New realities, they just had blurred into something not quite obscurity, whose name eluded me.
The song's about love and Roald Dahl and the Matrix Resurrections.
Hell yeah!
There you go. All right. Oh yeah, this will be a fun one. Got another 𝕋⍬ song here, and it's another fucking love song. I always write them as soon as I have any feeling, and there they are, and they're cheesy as hell, and I love it. For some reason, I always say the person's name in the song. You held my hand by the water, and we planned your vampire kiss. My love for you is undying. Never pale back time, pain or fear. There's one thing in life I'm sure. For you is love is clear. 𝕋𝐍𝐼 𝔻𝐻𝐿 song, but I'd like to invite Amanda to come up here and play along with me a bit. And let's see, that one is just. That's just a G major. There you go. And maybe some water piano. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, you can find the set you just missed out on if you didn't see it, which was amazing. Thanks so much for rolling by, S. And many other Tulsa oddities on Possibly Not TMEC. The most ever company is a Tulsa art collective that's been around since about 2007. We're part of the most ever company intergalactic research orchestra, 2 6 to 8s, depending on how many baritone saxophones we have.
69 pound side for 20.
Yes,
Cool.
damn straight. You can find anything on the Most Ever Company YouTube, the Dankestra YouTube, and possibly not TMEC. From Japanese math rock to beautiful rappers and noise shows like One Ox. We try to cover as much of that.
Indeed. We love noise.
Yeah, we'll be here many Tuesdays from here on out, so keep an eye.
A wonderful Instagram that V here runs as well.
Yeah.
Fun is just do the Dankestra on Google. It should pull us up on all avenues.
Do the Dankestra on Google.
Dankestra.
All right. This next one, I have no idea what key to play in, but you're welcome to just fuck around and find out. These are some old. I was listening to a lot of bratty pop with trap beats at the time, and I was working in a doggy daycare in Austin, sitting on top of a Fisher-Price castle or a Fisher-Price spaceship while writing these on my phone. So never played them, but I want to now for you. Yeah. Thank you, kind friend. A little bit, this would be Space Relay, which would have been the last of the beautiful doggy daycare tunes. I remember the day that I wrote this. Natalie Maines from the Chicks' father, brought his dog in, as he did every Wednesday, and he kept trying to sell me lap steals. He's like, "I'll cut you a great deal on it, $3,500 off." I was like, "Look, Lloyd, I'm working for $12 an hour part-time at a doggy daycare. If you can cut $3,500 off, I can't fucking afford it. I love you very much." But yes, the Chicks were my first concert, so looking after their dogs was beautiful. Beautiful time.
Sounds like a dark day afternoon.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. Al Pacino. Everybody should see Manglehorn. I actually have an entire album dedicated to Manglehorn starring Al Pacino, the David Gordon Green movie.
We all got a little dog in us, right? You got a little dog in you?
Bartender.
Let's see. We're playing Praglahoma on July 20th. Both of the bands that I play in, Pluto Rouge and DÖPKSCZMOJAL. Yeah, at Whittier. I'll be at Opolis in Norman on May 22nd, and I know we'll have some May dates and some June dates coming up here for you too.
Indeed, indeed. And Praglahoma there is at Whittier. Oh, the Whittier Square. Those who aren't familiar, Whittier Square was a porn store. It's now a coffee shop. Yeah, baby.
Sounds like B minor funky kind of thing, you know, here. What's that? Oh yeah, cool. Alright, cool. Funk it up. You have a beautiful night. I found this song on a bunch of old demos. It's just called 2018, so I guess this was January 2018, and I was feeling pretty good.
matters in Coconut Grove. Don't bar the door, cause no one's coming. The ocean roar will dull the drumming. Venice City thoughts of city waves. The ocean breeze is cool. My mind is salty. Days are hers and mine, just to do what we want to. Tonight we'll find a dune that soars, and softly she will speak the stars until the sun up. It's really true how nothing matters. No mad, mad world, no mad hatters. No one's pitching